Hello, we are Credit Freedom. We are a one stop shop. If you're looking to repair your credit, you're looking to edit documents, you're looking for trail lines, you're looking to start your own credit repair business, become a CPN broker, or an affiliate marketer, we are definitely here. We're here to provide you a list of CPN trail lines that will help your CPN as well as your personal credit. On April the 18th, here is a new list that's available at this present moment. So please, by all means, book your slot so you won't miss out. CPN numbers, if you see a yes, then that means you're able to fit in that slot to purchase that trade line to build that credit on your CPN as well as your personal. Now, this one here for April the 18th, if you see a yes, that means it is definitely SS only, social, social security numbers only, which requires your driver's license, social security number, or in a utility bill, just to confirm that it is definitely you. And this is definitely a Home Depot credit card. This card has been in effect for approximately 7 years and 10 months. Okay, April the 18th. This is another one, 12 years, 5 months for 75,000. The 6th through the 20th, you must book your spot to receive this Capital One Platinum Card spot. A trade line is something, a positive account that you can be added on to help boost that credit score. So let's not keep waiting. This is your season. It is time to build that personal credit up. It is time for you to take charge of your life, to build that credit. Here's the slot. The slots that are available. These are, as we speak, a list of trade lines that are available to you. Now, contact our office if you're looking to fill one of these slots or purchase one of these trade lines. We're here to offer you assistance with building that personal credit file or your CPN. Let's not keep yourself waiting any longer. You deserve a better life. Contact our office 504 408 5088. 504 408 5088. Tuesday through Friday, 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. Central Standard Time. Or visit our website for your convenience. And we are definitely on Facebook so you can follow. Have a great day.